Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. For the opportunity, I will present a final semester project on the improvement of maize or the maize on dry land through suitable agricultural technique. Before that, introduce my name Muhammad Syafiin bin Ilyas, NIM 180321100152. Let's go the first explanation. The first explanation is the background. The increase in population result in increased demand for corn for food, industry and feed, which an average annual demand of 6.34%. If for the increased corn production currently requires a technique, it is cultivation, especially on dry land. The total area for developed dry land commodities is 35.09 million hectare. The corn commodity is very suitable and is also very much cultivated in dry land. Corn is also a very important food commodity after rice for food, industrial and feed purpose. The corn commodity also an as important role and strategy for national development. The increase of maize in dry land is carried out using suitable agricultural technique. This sustainability system aims to protect and reduce environmental damage, increase production and productivity, increase the stability and quality of people life. Suitable agricultural technique include the use of improved varieties, quality seed, efficient nutrient and water management, integrated pest control and crop diversification. The next explanation is the problem formulation. How to increase the production of maize on dry land with suitable agricultural technique. And the research purpose is to find out how to increase the production of maize on dry land with suitable agricultural technique. The next explanation is the literature review. Suitable agriculture, or it can also be called suitable agriculture, in one of the use of renewable and non-renewable research for the process of agricultural production by emphasizing the negative impact of the environment. So as to minimize this impact, which this suitable agricultural production process, it will lead to the use of biological products that are friendly to the environment. FND 2016. Most the land research found the Indonesia of dry land that has the potential for business in agriculture. Dry land which has the potential to produce sufficient and varied food stuff. The food stuff is not only rice, but also corn, sorghum, soybean, green bean, cassava, sweet potatoes, and the like, all of which can be cultivated on dry land. Abdurrahman et al. ND. The next is the research method. The method used is the descriptive method, in which data collection is by browsing the literature and taking secondary data from the related agency, scientific article, report, and book. This descriptive method is intended to describe the increase in maize or the maize on dry land through sustainable agricultural technique. The next explanation is the discussion. Indonesian dry land area of 25.09 million hectares has the potential to develop and improve suitable agriculture, especially maize on dry land. The success of maize production on dry land is influenced by the capacity of rainwater, because maize plant will usually survive rainwater due to the dry soil and hard texture that make corn require of the lot of water to drive. To overcome this, shelter and irrigation need to enforce. Excessive use of synthetic chemical in cultivation has an impact on the demand to cell structure, environmental pollution, the death of living things and natural enemies of peace, and the death of soil microbes, which can result in increasingly saturated agricultural land and crisis. To anticipate this risk, suitable agriculture technique we develop. Suitable agricultural technique carry out this study include the use of superior varieties, quality seed, organic fertilizer or compost, and use of corn waste and animal feed. The use of high-yielding maize varieties because high-yielding varieties are very good to be developed because they are very optimal resistant to pests, and high-yielding maize varieties can withstand all conditions, whether dry land or soil that has acidity. One of the efforts to increase corn commodities in dry land is to improve the physical and biological condition of the land toward suitable agriculture, one of which is the use of organic fertilizer or compost, and reduce the use of all forms of chemical input. Utilization of maize waste for animal feed to achieve suitable agriculture. Almost all parts of corn can be used for the benefit of human and animal. The main product is the form of fruit and seed, which can be used as for food for human and also for the food and beverage processing industry, while the stem, leaf, and byproduct can be used for animal feed. The next explanation is the conclusion. The conclusion of the research is that proper and correct application on dry land can increase mine production and corn stover. The use of high-yielding varieties, both in the form of hybrid and pre-seed, is an important component in increasing maize production on dry land, because corn has the potential to be the main product for food, industrial, and animal feed needs, as well as the provision of high-quality waste, living, and stover. The use of organic fertilizer in the form of compost during cultivation tends to be a higher quality than using chemical fertilizer. For example, the harvest is heavier, fresher, more durable, and cost healthy because it is free from the use of chemical and chemical residues, as well as can improve the surrounding ecosystem. The suggestion is the corn farming on dry land provides income and is efficient, so it is feasible to develop. The alternative strategy that has been formulated in this study should be used as information and consideration for making policies on developing maize on dry land by farmers and the government. Thank you very much. That's all I can say. Actually, as full. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.